Hello. Um, Hi, this is Jude William Brendish again, and this is my second unboxing video. And to do this unboxing, I've specially purchased this product from Amazon. And the product that I purchased is something that you would not buy directly. You have to request you have to request for it, and only then you will be able to get an option to buy this product. So this is that product. So I'm going to start with it. Okay, thank you. This is the unboxing now. I will tell you what this is once you'll come to know, guys, once I'll open this up. Okay, you don't need to see this. You don't need to see this also. So this is the alternative of Amazon Echo Dot Genie. Okay, this is an Amazon Alexa device. It's a smart speaker. An Echo Dot, which is the most economical version, that would cost you about 4,000 plus. This is 3,999, and so let's see what all you get with it. And as I told you before, it's an Alexa device, which is a smart speaker. So it's integrated, Amazon Alexa integrated. You can set an alarm. These are all the commands that you can use these speakers for. You have to download an app for it, for you to have the full feature and full control of it. As per the reviews that you see, this is more louder and this is more crisp than the original Amazon Alexa. It's cheaper, but the cost would not affect the sound quality. So let's go ahead and check and see what all you get with it. This is my first smart speaker. I've never used a smart speaker before, and I never thought that I will be doing an unboxing of a smart speaker. As you can see, it's a shiny coating for the product. So the two apps, yeah. Okay, and yeah, so okay, the all-in-one smart home collection. So I never thought it to be such a big device. Okay. So we'll put this aside 1 second. So Eufy Genie. So the instruction manual with the option to download the apps. Not needed. Not going to pay attention to it. And another box. So these I have with all the cables, I believe. Yeah. That's it with the box. Yeah, with the cable and I believe the charging cord. This is the USB cable, data syncing. Okay, you also have an option for so you can, I believe you can connect your mobile device with it directly through a 3.5 jack you get with the product. And okay, the charging brick, so connect it. Yeah, this goes in here and the other part goes in this to charge it. So this is it. So yeah, so now let's go ahead and check this out. And I really never thought it to be so big. Yeah, I thought it to be a tiny box. Okay. Okay, so not a very heavy box. Okay, these are supposed to have down firing speakers. This is the speaker grill. So the reason, the only way, the only reason that this is is louder and more crisper than the Amazon Echo Dot is because it's because of the speakers. So we're going to try it out. I'm going to show how this can be tried, and I'm going to show you that how what needs to be done and how you can give its commands and everything. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, this is the initial startup for this Eufy Genie smart speaker. So let's try to set it up for the first time. I've connected with the power supply, and it would ask me to download an app. So I'll be downloading an app, Eufy Home. Okay, entering into space.
Hello, your Eufy Genie is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Eufy Home app.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to be downloaded. Okay, so here we go. Start home automation. Experience now. If you have a Eufy. Okay, let's sign up. I had to download an app to, as you all heard. So no device yet. So you need to download an app to access or set up the smart speaker. Okay, so I've downloaded the app, and now I just need to follow the instructions. And these are the products that you get, but Eufy Genie is the one that I have. So United States, English, India. So next, and let's see what it says. So power on the Eufy Genie. Wait for the ring light to turn on. Proceed next. Okay. Okay. So it looks like it's found the device. So this smart speaker is going to be controlled by the app. So looks like the app has found the speaker, and so checking for Wi-Fi status.
You have successfully connected to Eufy Genie. Complete setup in the Eufy Home app.
Okay, so I've connected it to the Wi-Fi.
Your Eufy Genie is connected to internet. Please log into your Amazon account in the Eufy Home app.
Okay. So sign in. Okay, as it says, I need to sign into the Amazon account. I'm going to do that. Okay, so after you sign into the Eufy Genie app, the app will tell you to sign into the Amazon account. So that's what I've done. So I'm allowing the Alexa voice services. Okay, so I mean, you'll have to do all of this to set it up. So it looks like it's all done.
Your Eufy Genie is ready.
Yeah. Okay, let's test it out. So these are the options that you would be getting. Okay, you can control Amazon Alexa, of course. You have an option for Pandora, Spotify, and yeah, I'm going to try all of these options now. Okay. Alexa, what's the weather like in New Delhi?
Right now in New Delhi, it's 70 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly clear skies. Tonight's forecast has haze, with a low of 58 degrees.
Alexa, which is the new movie showing in PVR cinema?
Here are the latest films: The Shape of Water, Black Panther, and the 1517 to Paris.
Alexa, set an alarm for 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Is that 8 o'clock in the morning or in the evening?
Morning.
Alarm set for 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Do you hear some music from it? Okay. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a playlist you might like. Best of new music from Amazon Music.
Alexa, shut down. So, yeah, here it really is a smart speaker. I mean, so I was playing music right from Amazon Music. Okay, I never wanted to play the complete song because of copyright issues, of course. So, I mean, if you hear the quality of the music, it's really good. It's really loud. I mean, for a speaker of this size, for a speaker of this size, it's really nice, clear, I should say. You really get the bass. You might not be able to hear it from where you are at, but it's clear. The only good thing, I mean, it's less. It's not as expensive as the Echo Dot. The only fancy thing that you get is a bigger circle around it. This is a more smaller one. But if you are in need of a smart speaker and you want to try with something not as expensive as the Echo Dot, this is one good try that you can go for. To again, like I said before, you have to request for a purchase on Amazon. Then I requested it and I got a mail from Amazon with less than 24 hours. And so I went ahead and purchased it. I did get it within 2 days. So yeah, I really like this device. Okay, it is nice. It's clear. It's something that I can use on a daily basis. I mean, I'm hoping this wakes me up tomorrow, as I did set up an alarm. So so this was it. This was my first and the second unboxing video. I hope you like it. Please do like the video and please do subscribe to the video. I will, and I promise I'll be bringing more unboxing videos for all you people. And I'll be leaving a purchase link of this Eufy Genie enabled with Alexa voice. So you have to be
Sorry,
careful.
I don't know that one.
You should know what I'm going to say. So that's it. So I won't be saying the word. So this is it. I'll be leaving a purchase link on the description below. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, till the time that I have I have this device now, and if you would have any questions, just write them down on the comments, and I'll be replying to those comments, and I'll be answering all the questions and queries that you would have for this product. So thank you for staying with me for the next for my second video, and I'll be bringing more unboxing video. Please subscribe. Please do like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.